Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Behind me is the ETZ equipment tilt trailer. With a GVWR of 15,260 pounds and a tilt deck, this is the perfect trailer for hauling construction equipment or vehicles. This trailer comes in either bumper pole or gooseneck with length options of 18 up to 26 feet and has two 7K Lippert electric brake torsion axles. It has a deck height of 22 inches and a standard deck width of 83 inches with the tilt deck having a length of 16 feet on all lengths. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. Starting at the front, it has a 2.5/16 adjustable coupler rated at 21,000 pounds, 3 8-grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. And for lifting the tongue, it has a spring-loaded drop leg jack rated at 12,000 pounds. In between the tongue, you will find the mega lockable toolbox where you can store your tools, straps, chains, or anything else you need on your job because really it has a lot of space. On this side, you will find the standard spare tire mount with an optional spare tire. The tongue and mainframe are made of a 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 13 pounds per foot with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart and pine lumber flooring for the deck. At the front of the deck, it has a bump rail giving you the option to also add a rock shield. A nice little detail we added is this LED backlit laser cut Horizon emblem. Along the side, it has ID stake pockets with rub rail and 2 D-rings welded inside the fenders for securing cargo. The tilt deck frame is made of a 2x5-inch 7-gauge tubing and it has a 3x16-inch hydraulic cylinder to cushion the load. To lift the tilt deck, unlock the latch, open the valve, and give it a kick. It will automatically tilt up. Once all the way tilted, you can drive up the vehicle or equipment and it will slowly lower until latching into place. Once latched in, make sure to lock it, close the valve, secure your cargo, and you're ready to go. The fenders on this ETZ are the 12-gauge diamond plate steel fenders. They are bolted on, giving you the option of replacing them if you ever come to damage them. For the running gear, it has two 7K Lippert electric brakes torsion axles and 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. At the rear of this tilt trailer, it has this nice DOT-approved Technique LED lights and marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. Also, we added a knife edge, plus the tilt angle is at 60 degrees, making it easy to load low-profile equipment. For the paint on this trailer, it goes through our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grit blasting and a powder coat, making sure that will be top quality. Plus, we have the option of adding zinc primer undercoat for extra durability. And remember, this trailer has a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy this trailer, it will be top quality. For more information, visit us on our website at horizontrailers.com. I'll catch you in the next video.